I wonder what the poor chickens are doing today.
Telegram for Mr. Foghorn Leghorn.
Telegram? Now, who'd be sending me a telegram? Put out the welcome mat for your old college chum, Rhode Island Red. Stop. We'll drop in on you Friday. Signed, Red. Oh, no, not Rhode Island Red. I had enough of that bird-brained loudmouth in college to last me the rest of my life. Drop in Friday. Hey, today's Friday. I better get going. I got a few arrangements to make for my old college chum's arrival. I'd just like to see Red try to drop in on me now.
Here's Red!
Red? Why, you...
Foggy old goat, give me the grip. Same old Foggy, always putting on women's hats. Anything for a laugh. I wore a carnation, so you'd know me. Har, har, hardy, har, har. Foggy old palsy-walsy, you're a card. Yeah.
I've got to get rid of this cornball before he palsy-walsies me to death.
Well, what do we got here? Girls. Who's got all the girlies chasing him around? Freddy the freshman, the freshest kid in town. Who wrecks all the parties, turns them upside down. Freddy the freshman, the freshest kid in town. He plays the ukulele, he plays the saxophone, and the pretty babies just won't leave him alone. Who got bounced at Harvard, Princeton, Yale, and Brown? Freddy the freshman, the freshest kid in town.
Hey, Red, come on over here, let me take your picture.
Take my picture? Well, all righty, tighty.
Now, give me a big smile. Something went wrong.
Hey, Blubber Boy, is this what you're looking for?
Huh?
Well, squeeze it.
I thought I had a sitting duck, but turned out he had a pigeon.
Hey, Foggy, ain't you gonna take my picture?
Oh, yeah. I've got to reload my camera.
How do you like that? Double lenses, staring up the kin, no doubt.
Hold it.
Ugh, what a sloppy mess. You better go tidy up. I'll bet you charming gals are, just dying to see the star halfback at Chicken Tech in action. When you don't have a football, the next best thing's a fine old cassava melon, I always say. Rah, 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 hit him in the head. Team, here comes Red. Come on, Foggy, get off the dime. Let's show him the old 23 skidoo play.
The long pass?
Right.
66, 32, 23, skidoo.
I got it!
You're gonna get it.
Punt formation!
I goofed. Golf? Golf, anyone?
Golf? Why, you're talking to the man who practically invented the game. Give me a mashy niblick. Tum-ti-dum-tum-ti. Well, come on. Give me the ball.
Now, I'll take the flag and set it up for you.
Okay. Am I in form today? 4!
Give me that club. I ought to hate myself for not thinking of this sooner. Telegram for Mr. Rhode Island Red.
Rhode Island Red? Here, boy, that's me. contact me at once regarding inheritance. Signed, A. Shyster, lawyer. Well, hot diggity dog! Well, so long, Foggy. Gotta be going. Big deal. Thanks for everything.
Hey, wait a minute. Can't let you go empty-handed. Not an old friend. Got a couple of gifts for you. Here you are. An electric bowling ball and an electric clock. Tells you when it's time to bowl. So I say so long, Red.
So long, Foggy.
Goodbye, old friend. With a friend like you, I'll never need an enemy. Yeah.